Everyone, today we're going to learn about mites that are closely related to agriculture. Mites are arachnids, not insects, and are often called mites. Today we will focus on the harmful mites of the Tetranychidae. In the following, we will focus on the key points of identification and prevention and control techniques of tetrachlorid mites, taking Panonychus citrus as an example. 1. Overview of the damage caused by Benthanopus citrus. Tetranychus citrus belongs to arachnids, acariforms, Tetraneidae, commonly known as citrus red spider. Puncture, suction, mouthpiece, suction juice. Small individual 0.3 to 0.4 mm. Strong fecundity. Wind transmission. Easy to cause disaster. It can harm leaves, fruits, and shoots. And the shoots that turn green by piercing and sucking are more serious. After the red spider sucks the leaf turns chlorotic. No luster, gray-white, cause deciduous dead branches. 2. Morphological characteristics of Benthanopus citrus. Body length of adult mites are 0.3 to 0.4 mm, bright red to dark red, long hair and grow on trichoma. 4 pairs of feet. The adult male is 0.33 mm long. The posterior end is slightly pointed and wedge-shaped. Egg diameter is 0.13 mm, oblate, spherical, bright red at first birth and gradually fades. There is a small vertical stalk on the egg, and the stalk end has 10 to 12 thin filaments, which scatter around and stick to the oviposition. Larval mites, body length 0.2 mm, light red when newly hatched. 3 pairs of feet. The shape and color of the nymph mites are similar to the adult mites, but the individuals are slightly smaller. 4 pairs of feet. If the larvae peel off the skin, they will be the former mites, and if they peel again, they will be the rear mites. After, if the mite desquamate is the adult mite. 3. Occurrence rules. The generation overlap is serious, and there is no obvious winter dormancy phenomenon in warm areas. Serious occurrences occur in spring and autumn in a year, and long-term drought in autumn is prone to outbreaks of disasters. Every year in April to May, after the spring shoot leaves stretch, a large number of starscream spiders on old leaves migrate to new leaves in spring shoot to reproduce and harm. It will be a disaster in about a month. The temperature increased gradually from June to July, and the insect mouth decreased rapidly. When the average temperature of 10 days exceeded 25 degrees Celsius, the temperature from July to August was unfavorable to the growth and development of Benthanopus mites, and the number of mouths was small. From September to October, the temperature gradually drops, and the insect's population rises again, endangering the autumn shoots. The large population base of overwintering insects and the drought in winter and spring are important factors for the rampant occurrence of Panonychus mites. 4. Prevention methods. Catch the 2 peak periods of spring and autumn occurrence of Panonychus citrus mites, early May to mid-June and September to October, and overwintering period, December to early January for spraying control. Agricultural control. Clear garden in winter. Remove diseased leaves and burn them. Reduce the number of pest mites overwintering. Biological control. Artificial release of predator mites, or spray microbial acaricides with bacillus. Chemical control. Can use lime-sulfur mixture. Pyridabin, speed mites. Abamectin, matrine, propargite, triazole tin, nisolone, thiomethyl, acetonitrile, spirodiclofan, hydrazine, etoxazole, spirodiclofan, fenpyroxamate, and so on. Because orange-red spider is easy to develop resistance, therefore, when using chemicals, it is necessary to alternate them properly to prevent or delay the development of resistance in starscream. Students, this class mainly introduces the damage, morphological characteristics, occurrence, regularity, and prevention method of spider mites by taking Panonychus citrus as an example. That's the end of this lesson. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next class.